Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's your girl Sandra and today I have an exciting video for y'all. Today I'm finna be sharing my back to school makeup look, which is like perfect for the new school year. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the video. But before we do that, make sure to do like, comment, and subscribe and Lego.
I'll lay you to rest in pieces. No picture on a t-shirt, like you never existed.
So guys, I'm gonna start off by priming my face. I'm gonna be using this Purple Prime by MAC. I'm gonna pump it on. If y'all see me looking down, I'm just looking at my mirror, so yeah. Guys, I know when it comes to doing our makeup for school year, we all face the same challenges. Like, we want to look put together, but we don't want to take so many hours just doing our makeup. Cause yeah, time is money. And one of the biggest challenges is actually finding the time to like do our makeup early in the morning, especially when we're getting ready for like early morning classes and all. So yeah, that's like a big challenge, yo. I'm not a morning person, so you will never catch me waking up early to do my makeup cause I love my sleep. You'll never see me waking up extra early just to do my makeup. Mm-mm. I usually do my makeup like when I have class later in the day. But if I have like an early morning class, you'll never see me do makeup. So now that our face is primed, we're gonna go ahead and do our brows. I usually start by doing my brows first. I don't know why, but it just feels good to do my brow first before going in with other stuff. For my brow, I use the Got2b glue, so I'm gonna use this on this spoolie and then spray some of that on the spoolie and then like brush my brows. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. I'm gonna be using this. I don't know where this is from. I think it's from Amazon. So I'm gonna be using this eyebrow pencil to like fill in the brows. Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you. Love's a tattoo. I'm gonna go ahead with this clean spoolie to like fluff up my brows. Like, I know some of y'all already started school, but like, how is school? Like, how was your first day? I'm so curious as to know what your first day was like, cause I don't start school until like mid-September or like September 16th, so I still have like a month or something to go before school starts for me. And guys, this is gonna be like my last first day of school this year because I'm in my final year of college, so I'm quite excited for back to school, but at the same time, I'm not excited because, yeah, I know there's so much work to be done since it's like my final year. So I'm like kind of anxious about the. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my brows with this concealer by Maybelline, Super Stay by Maybelline. You can like use whatever concealer you feel like using. You don't have to use the same product I'm using. Right now I'm gonna go back with my Super Stay Maybelline concealer, and I'm gonna apply that on my chin, on my forehead, and my upper lip. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blend that. First, I'm gonna use my fixing spray, spray that on my brush, and then blend. Ooh, I did too much. That was way too much, Sandra. I'm gonna go ahead with my beauty blender and like blend that out. Next, I'm gonna conceal my under eye. I'm gonna go in with a flat brush to apply the concealer. Yes. So guys, my camera died down on me. So while I was editing, I realized there was no audio. So I had to like do a voiceover. So yes, the voiceover. So I already went ahead and blended out my concealer. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and set the concealer with the setting powder by Sasha. So guys, right now I'm gonna set my face to avoid any creases. I'm gonna be going in with my Maybelline fixing spray, and then we're gonna go ahead and bronze our face. I'm gonna be using a cream bronzer I got from the drugstore. Don't remember where I got it, but it was an affordable bronzer, so yeah.
Why don't you just stay in my arms tonight? Why don't we press pause on the fights we had? Oh, won't you just let me hold you so tight? We need to stop this bleeding.
So guys, we're gonna go in with a cream blush. I got this cream blush from Primark for a really affordable price. So for my girlies who don't want to spend money on expensive products, you can go get you this one. Especially if you're a beginner at makeup, go get you some drugstore products for your makeup.
Suddenly we see the same. Why don't you just stay in my arms tonight? Why don't we press pause on the fights we had?
So guys, as you can tell, I'm done applying my current blush, but it's not visible enough. So I'm gonna go ahead in my Morphe palette and apply an eyeshadow as a blush. I love using this trick cause it just makes the blush be poppy. And who says you can use eyeshadow as a blush? Mm. As you can tell, it looks good on me. And if it looks good on me, so go try it out.
Just rise, fall nice. You and me be lighter than a feather, never ever. War zone, gonna fly with shit getting heavy. Suddenly we see the same. I am ready, are you ready? Let's make it better, baby. Let's get closer.
Next, I'm gonna go back into my Morphe palette and use the shade 10% off. I'm gonna apply that on my lids. I didn't want to overdo my eyeshadow. I just wanted something simple to like give my eyelids a bit of color to it. So I just wanted to keep everything simple and natural and not overdo it, if you get what I mean.
Why don't you just stay in my arms tonight? Why don't we press pause on the fights we had? Oh, won't you just let me hold you so tight? We need to stop this bleeding.
Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner. I'm gonna be using this eyebrow tattoo pen that I got from Amazon. I don't know what brand this is, but I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box for y'all to find it. But I just love using this as an eyeliner. I'm gonna apply that and then smudge it out with like an angle brush.
Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance.
Y'all, it's finally time to do our lips. First and foremost, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the excess products I got on my lips. And then we're gonna go ahead and use the Ultimate Stay Lip Tint by Catrice. And it's really affordable and it's really pigmented as well. So I'm gonna leave it on for like 5 seconds and then clean it off. And guys, I love this lip tint because it like stays on your lip the whole day. Like you'll not regret getting this. If I can find a link to this lip tint, I'm gonna leave that in the description box as well. But if y'all don't see that in the description box, then I couldn't find the link to it. So yeah, but I really love this lip tint though.
Best friend, waiting for text back, wondering where you at, or who could you be with? No, I'm not possessive, but you're mine. Okay, I'ma let you live, no shame, no shame, no game, no game. I wanna fall in love, vulnerable in love. Do you want classy? Do you want
So
nasty?
guys, after taking off the lip tint, I'm gonna go ahead with a brown lip liner and line up my lips and then smudge that out with my finger or with like a dense brush and then top that up with my favorite lip jam by Catrice. I love this lip jam so much because it keeps my lips so moisturized and looking juicy. And yeah, they also have a bunch of flavors though. I know they have like a mint flavor, strawberry flavor, and a peach flavor. In this video I was using like the strawberry flavor, and it smells so good. I love the mint one as well. I'll recommend that because I love the smell of it, and it just smells really good on my lips. But you can go ahead and use your favorite lip gloss or like a lip oil you like love so much. It doesn't have to be like a lip balm like what I'm using, but yeah.
On my old flame, watching my page, say they miss what I gave them. I'm doing fine now. I feel amazing. I'm out of their range. Keep them guessing when they ask about us. Don't give them no time, that's how we stay up.
How we up, but you
Oh my
stay
god,
down.
guys,
Real
this
talk
lip
from the app,
combo
gotta
is
play out. Spending time
literally
on your
my
mind,
holy
stay
grail.
out. And when
It's
I'm
like
in
my
lost, you feeling your
favorite
wrongs. I've been
go-to
on the
lip
road, the
combo.
stroke that I
Like,
hold on your
comment
soul.
down
You can
below
never
if
get it
y'all
back.
have a
Got
favorite
you
lip
singing tones
combo,
till you
and I
lay
might
out. You
try
feel
that
like baby,
out.
you'll never fade
But
out.
I literally love this one. It's
I
perfect
let
for
it
like
ride
a
when I
natural,
usually won't
minimalistic, like
slow
clean girl
down.
type makeup look.
Baby say please and thank you
Finally,
cause your love has
we're gonna
stayed
go ahead and
down.
finish up our
I leave the
makeup
past in the
by
past, that's
applying
all done
mascara. I'm gonna be
now.
using the one
Show a
by
little appreciation cause your love has stayed.
Essence,
You
but
know
y'all
that
can go
I love
ahead and
you.
use your
Crowd chasing they
favorite
all
mascara
names.
if you
Trust me
have
when I
any
say
of
I'm
that.
still the same.
So
They gon'
yeah,
understand it one
enjoy.
day. Yeah, yeah. Told him that I give him life. He said, right. Now we can leave from my side. Oh my
Baby,
god.
you know I ain't chasing fame. You caught the vibe that I'm sending your way. You see that I'm still the same. Real one, I'ma never change my way. As long as I'm hitting it right and treating you right. You never leaving my side, you here for the ride.
Only for love. Why your exes can't get enough? They trying in line, they down on their
So
luck.
guys, that was it for this makeup look. I hope y'all liked it. If you all have any favorite makeup look you like to wear to school, leave a comment down below. And if y'all have any video recommendation you like to see from me as well, make sure to leave a comment down below. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to hit that post notification bell so y'all get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.
Baby say please and thank you cause your love has stayed down.